you can enjoy it very much. If you are on live, please comment me. Now, you can see a picture on the screen. The picture is a Royal Bengal tiger. Have you understood? Do you know the animal? Royal Bengal tiger. What is the condition of this tiger? It was chained. It was chained and about to die. It was in the mask. Its face is in the mask. Guys, what is the condition of this tiger? Welcome to my online class. Now we are going to our online class introduction. This is Muhammad Sheikh Alam, lecturer in English, Pastor Begum Honor Degree College, Araihajar, Narayanganj. Today's lesson and unit number 12, Environment and Nature. Lesson 4, topic threats to tigers of mangrove forest. Time 40 minutes. This is my lesson. Now, you can see another picture here. Same type of picture. The Royal Bengal tiger. The condition of Royal Bengal tiger displayed here. That is, it is about to die. Let's see some pictures. Another picture. We will see another pictures. That is 4 picture you can see on the screen. What do you see on the screen? Do you know the name of the animal? Royal Bengal tiger. Yes, Royal Bengal tiger. There are 4 pictures you can see. Different type of positions of a Royal Bengal tiger. You can see very clearly. It's the natural scene, I think. If you see any tiger in the forest, then you can see this type of situation. Royal Bengal tigers of Bangladesh. Another 4 pictures you can see. They are playing. 2 tigers are playing. There you can see another 2 tigers are playing. Here a mother and a child. A mother and child is taking rest there. And there you can see a tiger is crossing the river or Bay of Bengal or any type of waters. You can see these pictures say that they are moving, they are taking rest, they are moving very freely, they are playing very freely. This is the natural picture of Royal Bengal tigers. That means not only the Royal Bengal tigers, but also another animal, any type of animal, inspired of any type of animal. You can see this is their natural situation, natural habit. They are moving, they are freely, their free movement is displayed there in the picture. That is, tigers playing and swimming freely in the Sundarbans. Tigers playing and swimming freely in the Sundarbans. Next, you can see Another 4 pictures. In these pictures, there is a different sight you can see. That is a mother and a child. In the previous picture, you could see that they were playing, but in the picture they are chained. They are in a cage. They are walking in a cage. That means zoo or any type of cage. Another picture you can see a visitor is watching the sight of the sight and plight of the tiger. This is also a tiger, but it is not free here. Here you can see another tiger. He is jumping, going. That means he is leaving the place where the hunter wanted to hunt the tiger. That means it is leaving the danger, leaving from the danger. There is another picture you can see. There, the tiger is about to die. A hunter shoot it, and it fall into death. Many people are watching the sight. This is not a real picture or real sight of any type of animals. Threat to tigers of the Sundarban. Threat. It's a threat to the tigers in Sundarban. It should not be. Do you think? It should not be. But it is happening every day and night in our forest. That means it is the threat for the animals. It is the threat for the Sundarban. That is not the real picture. It should not be the real picture of the animals. Here another picture, sad picture. You can see a tiger was killed by a hunter, and many people are taking meat from the dead body of the tiger. That is pathetic. Men are killing tigers, and they are taking meat, and they are eating meat from the tiger. It's a national animal of Bangladesh, but we are men. We are human beings are not doing real thing, real activities to the tiger. Now, this is a pathetic sin. I think it should not be, but this is the condition, real condition of, or this is the present condition of Bangladesh. That means the mangrove forest Sundarbans. A scene of having meat killing a tiger. You can see a scene of having meat killing a tiger. Now you can see another picture. This is a picture of giving treatment to a tiger. Our government wanted to save our mangrove forest. Not only wanted to save, but also our government is trying to save our tigers, save the natural balance by saving all kinds of animals, birds, everything, etc. Now, this is the site. Through this site, we can see the medical team is trying to save a tiger, giving a treatment. This should be in the sphere of our tigers. So if we save tigers, we can save our natural balance and balance of the environment, and also we can save our mangrove forest and save ourselves also. A medical team giving treatment to a tiger. That is, it is the caption. Now we will go to our lesson. Today's topic is from Unit 12, Lesson 4. Now we have come before our topic. The topic is from Unit 12, Lesson 4. You can see, you can open your book, textbook, and you will go to our lesson. The name of the topic, threats to tigers of mangrove forest. It's a very interesting chapter or lesson for us. You can see in the screen. It will be very helpful to you. It will be very helpful to you if you read the text, taking your textbook before you. Now we will see there is a picture of map. That means a map of Sundarban. Where is Sundarban? Where is Sundarban situated? Where is Sundarban situated? Situated the most southern part of Bangladesh. Most southern part of Bangladesh. You can see in the map. This is Sundarban. Some part in India and major part of the Sundarban is in Bangladesh. Have you understood? That is, from there you can say this is our Sundarbans. Have you understood? That is, it is situated in Khulna, and this is Bay of Bengal. This is the map of Bangladesh. This part is Bangladesh. This part is from India. You can see India there. This is the situation of Sundarban. Map of the Sundarbans. Now you can see the map of the Sundarban. Now learning outcomes. Our learning outcomes, what will we learn after learning or reading the text? By the end of the lesson, they should not be there. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to, there is a mistake, they should not be there. You can correct it. They should be omitted. Number A, talk about the pictures. We can talk. I have shown you several pictures, many pictures. You can talk about the picture. Number B, know some new word meanings. We will be able to know some new word meanings. We will learn some word meanings. Then read the text and find out the correct answers. We can read the text and we will be able to find out some correct answer of some short questions. Know the threats of tigers in the Sundarbans. We will be able to know the threats of tiger in our Sundarbans. We will be able to know the present environment of the Sundarbans. We will be able to know the present condition of Sundarban. What is the present condition of Sundarban? We will be able to know the condition. F, get some important information of the Sundarbans. We will be able to get some very important information about our Sundarbans. At last of all, you can see, write a paragraph. We will be able to write a paragraph about tigers in Sundarbans or a paragraph about our mangrove forest, that is Sundarbans. Have understood? This these learning outcomes are very important for you. Next, vocabs. We will know some vocabs before going through the text. Vocabulary. We should increase our vocabulary by knowing some words. That is number one, a word. Number one, rapidly. What is the meaning of rapidly? Rapidly, that means quickly, speedily, hastily, hurriedly. That means that is fast, very speedily, with hastily. That is the meaning of rapidly. Number two, evident. Evident, that means obvious, manifest, palpable, apparent. That means evident. Evident, that means obvious. Clear, that means clear. Number three, disappear, that means vanish, evaporate, wane, ebb, flee, that means go away. That means disappear, that means which has the int. Number four, frequently, that is noun. Indicated, the word is noun, occurrence, regularity, incidence. Incidence, that is the frequent, that means several times. The regularity, that is the very often, that is the meaning of frequency. The word is noun. Number five, extreme, that means severe, tremendous, intense. Type of meaning you can see the meaning of the word extreme. Number six, vulnerability, that is defenselessness, exposure, weakness. This type of meaning you can see in the meaning of vulnerability. Defenselessness, exposure, weakness, that is the meaning. That means insecurity, that means vulnerability. Number seven, degradation, noun, is the word noun. Degradation, deprivation, humiliation, dilapidation. This type of meaning you can see degradation, that means that means come down. That is the meaning of degradation. Inevitably, adverb. Inevitably, the meaning is unavoidably, inescapably, and predictably. This is the meaning. These are the meanings of the words. That means the word inevitably, which cannot be avoided. Which cannot be avoided. That is inevitably. Extinction. Number nine, extinction. This is noun. Annihilation, extermination, destruction. That is the meaning. The meaning of extinction. There is a word of noun. That means disappear, which you can see extinction. Number 10, majestic, adjective, royal, magnificent, splendid, superb. That is majestic, that means superb, fine, excellent. That is the meaning of majestic. These 10 words you can know what meaning. I think these are the difficult words for you. If you have another word, if you do not understand, and ask me and inbox me, no problem, that I will be able to answer later. Then now we will go to the text. Take your book and open it. Lesson 4 and Unit 12. Let's you can see in your textbook a vast mangrove forest shared by Bangladesh, a vast mangrove forest shared by Bangladesh and India, that is home to possibly 500 Bengal tigers, is being rapidly destroyed by erosion, rising sea levels and storm surges. According to study by researchers and at the Zoological Society of London, JSL and others. That means the Sundarban, a vast mangrove forest, the vast mangrove forest is shared and that is the living place of 500 Royal Bengal tigers have been destroyed, are going to destroyed at the Zoological Society of London, which is a zoological society that is in London, that is called Zoological Society of London, JSL, and others, some researchers also research this space. Already tiger populations living in the forest will be put further at risk if it is continued that our Royal Bengal tigers, all populations of Royal Bengal tigers will living populations that are living in our forest one upon a. Sorry, there is a problem on internet connection. The Sundarbans forest took the brunt of Super Cyclone Cedar in 2007, but new satellite studies show that 71% of forest coastline is retreating by as much as 200 meters a year. If erosion continues at this pace, already threatened tiger populations living in the forest will be put further at risk. Every year, that means 200 meters of coastline goes underwater, is going underwater. That is, the living place of the tiger is going underwater, and the Sundarban was fall a victim of Cedar, Super Cyclone Cedar in 2007. If it is continued, if this action is going on, then once upon a time the threatened the tigers are already at the risk, but these tigers will one day be at risk. So we should take care of our Sundarban. Para number 2, Natalie Patorelli, one of the report's author, said coastline retreat is evident everywhere. The coastline, Natalie Patorelli, one of the report's author said coastline retreat is evident every year. That means the coastline, the bank of the sea is going underwater, A continuing rate of retreat would see these parts of the mangrove disappear within years. That means a continuing rate, that is running rate, continuing rate of retreat. This, if this retreat is would see these parts of the mangrove disappear within 50 years. If it is continued, such a portion, such a percentage, one day, that means after 50 years, the full mangrove forest will disappear. Full forest will be disappear. That is said. Indian side of the Sundarbans, on the part of Indian side of Sundarbans, the island which extends most into the Bay of Bengal has receded by an average of 150 meters a year, with a maximum of just about 200 meters. This would see the disappearance of the island in about 20 years. That means Indian part, on the Indian part, on the sphere of India, the island, the Sundarban, the island extends most into the Bay of Bengal, has receded by an average of 150 meters. The Indian part, the coastline is going The coastline is going 150 meter underwater every year, with a maximum of just about 200. There, maximum 200 meters go under water. Minimum 150 meters. That is, this would see the disappearance of the island in about 20 years. On the Indian part, have you understood? On the Indian part, if this erosion, that means if this is going on the Indian part, that need 20 years. That means after 20 years, the Sundarban will disappear, will vanish, will be vanished after 20 years on the Indian part. In Bangladesh, on the part of Bangladesh, it would be 50 years. After 50 years, it will be disappear if the erosion is continuous. Next, the Sundarbans is known for vanishing island, but the scientists say the current retreat of the mangrove forest on the southern coastline is not normal. The Sundarban is known for vanishing island. It is known. People know it that it is a vanishing island, but scientists said the current retreat of the mangrove forest on the southern coastline is not normal. Scientists said it is not normal. Abnormal. It is abnormal that the coastline is going under water. The southern part of Sundarban is going underwater day by day. This is not normal. Our scientist says. Have you understood? Then the causes for increasing coastline retreat on the other retreat other than direct anthropogenic ones include increased frequency of storm surges and other extreme natural events, rises in sea level and increased salinity, which increases the vulnerability of mangrove, said Patorelli. Patorelli is another researcher. He said the increasing coastline retreat, the causes on other than direct anthropogenic ones, including increased frequency of storm surges and other extreme natural events, rises sea level, increase. That means he said the causes why our coastline is going underwater, that means retreating day by day. He mentioned the causes, that is frequency of storm surges, natural events, rises in sea level, and increased salinity. That means salts. From salt, it is called salinity, which increases the vulnerability of mangroves, said Patorelli. That means these are the causes why the Sundarban is retreating day by day. Next part. Our results indicate a rapidly retreating coastline that cannot be accounted for by the regular dynamics of the Sundarbans. That means our result says that rapidly retreating coastline that cannot be accounted for by the regular dynamics of the Sundarban. Degradation is happening, first weakening the natural shield for India and Bangladesh. That means regularly destroying our Sundarbans by retreating rapidly our forest. Next part. As human development thrives, as human development is going on, and global temperature continues to rise, that means temperature of our world is rise. It is rising, that is rising. Natural protection from tidal waves and cyclones is being degraded at alarming rate. That means natural protection from tidal waves, that means from the tidal wave there is natural protection is going to destroy in an alarming rate if Sundarban. That means if Sundarban once upon a time, after 50 years mentioned there, after 50 years if Sundarban will disappear, that means will vanish, our life also will be vanished. This is an alarming for our nation. This will inevitably lead to species loss in this richly biodiverse part of the world if nothing is done to stop it. If proper measure take part, if proper measure should not take, our Sundarbans, that means our environment once upon a time will disappear and our life will be impossible to live on earth. So we should take proper step to save our Sundarban and our tigers and our environment to live a healthy and happy life. The Sundarban is a critical tiger habitat. It's a critical living place for the tiger. One of only a handful of remaining forest big enough to hold severe 100 tigers. That means it's a very small place, a handful of place. That means it's not enough for our tiger. After going underwater day by day, that means retreating after another, retreating day by day and going underwater, the remaining part of Sundarban is not suitable, is not sufficient for our tigers. To lose the Sundarbans would be to move a step closer to the extinction of these majestic animals, said ZSL tiger expert Sarah Christie. Sarah Christie, one of the experts who is a member of JSL. He said, Sarah Christie said, the loss of Sundarban should be closed. That means loss of the Sundarban should be closed, and the extinction of the majestic animals, this royal animal, that means this excellent animal, we have to save this excellent animal. The extinction of this majestic animal, that means destruction of this majestic animal should be stopped there, said ZSL tiger expert Sarah Christie. This is the full story, that means full lesson of the Sundarban mangrove forest about the tiger. So we have understood that our Sundarban, our mangrove forest, this is an excellent place. This is a tourist place. This is a nice place for Bangladesh. And now, this is a question number 2 for your question paper. That is, this passage is important for the second passage for your exam. Read the following text and complete the flowchart below showing the causes for increase of vulnerability of world's largest mangrove forest. One is done for you. That is number 2 each. You have to fill the 5 boxes. If these are correct, you will get 10 marks out of 10. It is possible. That is, 1 is done for you. That means 1 is done for you. That is, 1 box is done for you. Increase coastline retreat. That means there should be increase of coastline. There is a mistake. There should be increase of coastline retreat. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every box you should fill up every box and give arrow sign. That is, I discussed it in your previous class. If you do not see the class, you will see the class, you will watch the class, you will enjoy the class, then you will understand the flowchart. Now I will show the answer also. You can see the Sundarban. First, the passage will be such like this. That is, the Sundarban. Here you will find increasing coastline retreat. That means you should set your question first. That means you should mark or underline. I mentioned there. Underline the phrases you will get there. Sorry, there is a problem in network. So you can see, at first you should find out the answer, underlining, that is this, that means increasing coastline retreat, increased frequency of storm surges, rises in sea level, increased salinity, degradation is happening. First, global temperature continues to rise. Cyclones is being degraded at alarming rates. you will get the answer in this underlined phrases that you can see. I will show you the answers today. How you will write the answer? I mentioned there. Here, in this way, you will write the answer. That is flowchart. A flowchart showing the causes of increase of for increase of vulnerability of largest mangrove forest. One is done for you. That is done for you. That is increase of coastline retreat. A flowchart. You should write the word. A flowchart showing the causes for increase of vulnerability of world's largest mangrove forest. That is one has done for you. There is increase of coastline retreat, that is done for you. Second one, increased frequency of storm surges, another. That is number 3, rising in sea level, rise in sea level. These are the same, all these are same phrases. That is number 4, increase of salinity. Number 4, increase of salinity. Number 5, rise of global temperature. Number 6, degradation of cyclone. These are the solution. These are the, in this way you will write the answer, and you should give arrow sign, otherwise you will not get marks. You have to make box, and you should make answer in the box by point and point mark. If you do so, then you will get full marks. Now I think you have understood. Now I will give you some homework. Your homework, you will get homework. If you understand if you understood the previous question, then read the text and complete the flowchart showing the condition of world's largest mangrove forest. One is done for you. Another question, that is, these are the question and these are the boxes and arrows. You can see one is done for you. 500 tigers left. You should fill up the box of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 according to their order. Now you should write down your homework. You will do it in your notebook, and when the college will open, then you will show me or show your subject teachers the answer. That is your homework. You can write it in your notebook. So thank you being with me. Thank you very much. See you next time. Till you will be happy, you will be fine. That means you can live in safe. I hope till then you will be safe. Thank you.